Hey beautiful people, FabFitFun just dropped the second set of early spoilers for the summer 2026 box. And these are giving such summer vibes, especially if you love accessories. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to Rachel's Beauty Finds, where I share beauty deals, honest reviews, and finds that truly spark joy. Alright, let's get into the first one. The first one is the Ultra Eyewear Mia sunglasses in chocolate, which is valued at $65, and this will be in customization too. These have that classic Wayfarer style look, but in a really pretty deep chocolate color, which feels a little more elevated than basic black. These lenses are brown tinted with full UV protection, so they are not just cute, they're practical too. And they're lightweight, durable, super easy to wear every day. This feels like one of those pieces you can just throw on without any outfit. Also, FabFitFun shared a few details about this product. The details are: the frame width is 145 millimeters, which is 5.7 inches. Frame height is 43.5 millimeters, which is 1.7 inches. The nose gap is 22 millimeters, which is 2 inches. The care instructions for this are: avoid harmful chemicals, gently clean your lenses with a microfiber cloth, avoid wearing your sunglasses on top of your head as that will stretch them. The materials used in this are: it's made from a lightweight, durable polycarbonate frame. And again, this is a female founded company, and there are no shipping restrictions on this one. And by the way, if you love FabFitFun spoilers and want to see all the upcoming reveals, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. I'll be posting daily spoilers so you don't miss anything. The second spoiler is also from Ultra Eyewear. These are the Abbey sunglasses in transparent maple, also valued at $65, and this comes again in customization too. These are a bit different. They have more of a hexagonal shape, which gives them a modern look. The transparent maple color is really unique, soft, warm, and perfect for summer. And the brown fade lenses add a subtle pop without being too bold. So, if you love something a little different from the usual shapes, this could be a really fun option. FabFitFun shared a few details about this one. The details are: coming to the sizing, the frame width is 147 millimeters, which is 5.7 inches. The frame height is 42.8 millimeters, which is 1.7 inches. The nose cap is 24 millimeters, which is 0.9 inches. The frame width per lens is 147 millimeters, which is 5.7 inches. Frame height per lens is 42.8 millimeters, which is 1.7 inches. The care instructions for this one are: avoid harmful chemicals, gently clean your lenses with a microfiber cloth, avoid wearing your sunglasses on top of your head as that will stretch them, and the materials used are a lightweight, durable polycarbonate frame. And again, this is a female founded company, and there are no shipping restrictions for this one as well. Now, the third spoiler is something a little more unique. This is the Crystal Haze crystal hand chain, which is valued at $120, and this will be in customization 4. This piece connects a bracelet to a ring with a delicate chains. It sits beautifully on your hand and adds a really elegant touch. It's one of those accessories that stands out without being too much, perfect for events, vacations, or even just dressing up a simple outfit. It's made with 18K gold-plated brass and cubic zirconia, so it definitely feels more like a statement piece. FabFitFun shared a few details about this. The details are: the sizing of this bracelet is 6.69 by 7.97 by 0.001 inches. I think this is the length, the width of the bracelet. The care instructions for this one are: to keep your hand chain looking at its best, avoid contact with water, perfume, lotions, and other chemicals that contain alcohol, as these can cause the gold plating to fade or tarnish. It's recommended to put your jewelry on after applying skincare or fragrance. Remove the hand chain before washing your hands, showering, swimming, exercising, or sleeping to prevent damage or snagging. After wearing, gently wipe it with a soft dry cloth to remove oils and dirt. Store it separately in a jewelry pouch or box to avoid scratches and tangling. The materials used are it is 18K gold plated brass with cubic zirconia. And again, this is a female founded company and there are no shipping restrictions on this one. So far, what do you think about these spoilers? Do you like the sunglasses options or are you more excited about the hand chain? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear what you'd pick. And don't forget, I'll be sharing fab and spoilers every single day. So make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And as always, peace and blessings, my friends.